Hey there guys, it's me, NibletK, and today we're gonna do an unboxing video of something that came and I was waiting for a long time. Also, I'm very close to the microphone and I shouldn't really talk so loud. Let's smash this thing open. Some of you might know already what it is. I'll give you a hint. It's from Blizzard. Oh, baby! Oh, yeah! Let's get that thing out of there. Oh, yes! Let's get this one out first. Come on, come on, come on! Here we have Greymane statue. Our first statue. Awesome. Warranty bullshit, whatnot. How should I do this? Yeah, I'm just gonna rip everything. There we go. Looks much better. So we got our Greymane right over here first. And next we have Sourfang. Turn this around like just a second, boys. Let's make this pedestal over here. Does that look good? Hope so. Also, my hair is a mess. Who the fuck cares? First things first, let's get our figures out of the box and see how they look like. Man, this is harder than I thought. That's some good packaging there, Blizzard. I don't want to screw this up. Holy shit! That is a big... That is a big piece. I'm gonna have to come over here. Luckily, these things come apart. Now, this thing comes right out. Yeah. And then we got the base. Okay, let's see, how do we do this? How do we do this? Oh my god, so much stuff, so little place. So much. Hoo, 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 hoo. Hell yeah! Look at that. Come on, focus, you dumb camera. There we go. Look at that detail. I need to keep my hand a little bit behind it so that it can focus. Focus on Greymane. My camera's a little bit too high on the... Trying to get out of the... Let's see. Will you focus now? Focus, you dumb shit. There we go. That is Greymane in all his glory. Now that's what a toy, a collectible figure should look like. We're gonna leave you there. Hopefully you won't crash while I get your brother out. The detail is really good, really solid. Everything's really hard. Nice plastic, nice. Also, my cat is enjoying the things that I dropped on the floors. Okay, let me put these things at least in there so that I don't forget from where they came from. Excuse me. Excuse my underbelly. Okay, that's one box. Now here we are for the second one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. This thing has some plastic over here. I wonder why that is. So again, let's put this on the side where you don't see it. And now we uncover. Holy moly. Hey there guys, it's me, NibletK, and I'm such a noob for some reason. I mean, I obviously think I know the reason. I unboxed these bad boys, and the thing is, when I took them out of the box, I accidentally placed something on my keyboard, which apparently shut down my recording. So I was pretty much talking to you guys without doing anything, without recording. Okay, so that said, I'm gonna show you the short version of an unboxing and after boxing. So we got these in the mail. We got Sour Fang. This is the big box. It's nice red. It has this on the front. So even the boxes are really cool. This is the lid. That's Sour Fang. Hopefully I won't place anything on the keyboard yet once more. So that's the box from Sour Fang. And here we have the Alliance box. This is the Grain Main box. That's how it looks. That's on the side. The other side, the nice blue, the World of Warcraft. Also, that's how it looks from the front. So you guys can see that. And pretty much these are the bad boys that came inside. So here you have Sour Fang. I'm not gonna get too close to the camera because it's just going to, I mean, look for yourself. It's not gonna focus. Well, it focuses a little bit, but that's Sour Fang. And that's how he looks. So he has this huge axe. The axe is really huge. As you guys can see, it's as big as my hand almost. And the base, you know, looks really cool with all those skeletons and whatnot. Really in fighting position. So that's Sour Fang. And here we have our Grain Main, also ready for battle. Really nice, really nice. You know, long ass cape over here. Let's see if I can get his face up in here. That's how he looks up close. Terrifying. The base is also really cool. That's how a figurine should look like and feel like. That's a collectible. That is a collectible, okay? So here they are. Voila. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sorry for the fuck up. I don't really care. I got those. Blizzard, thank you very much for putting out great quality collectible things for nerds like me and you and all of other guys. Hope you guys can forgive the unboxing thing, unboxing, whatever it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next time. And this time I am closing it on my own terms. Bye bye. See ya.